Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. Today we will talk about an exciting crypto project called Bloktopia. Let's start. Bloktopia is a VR metaverse that is supposed to become a hub for all levels of the crypto experience. It is built on Polygon, and the basis of this world is the NFT economy. Bloktopia unites entrepreneurs, developers, and gamers. On this platform, users can own land and create virtual real estate, which forms the Bloktopia and gives participants an opportunity to make a profit. BLOK token holders become members of the community. They are called Bloktopians. With the help of this platform, users can take part in various activities, such as learning, earning, and creating. BLOK is a native token of this metaverse. It can be used to purchase things within the platform, for example, real estate and customized avatars, or to join events. BLOK can also be staked and used for governing. The team of Bloktopia has 4 core members. Ross Tavakoli and Paddy Carroll are the co-founders. Both of them have vast experience in marketing. The tech lead of the project is Simon Benson. He is experienced in immersive technology development at such companies as Sony and Siemens. Libby Rothwell is a commercial director of Bloktopia. She came to this project with experience in the film industry, which gave her the skills necessary to develop the project. Developers believe that Bloktopia Metaverse will help newcomers to understand cryptocurrency and the crypto world faster and easier. Bloktopia will provide them with all the necessary information. What are the advantages of Bloktopia? First of all, it brings together knowledge about the crypto world. The further, the more overwhelming cryptocurrency may feel. Those who are just trying to understand it may find it difficult to find all the information necessary. So Bloktopia provides a very useful solution to this problem. The next cool benefit is that Metaverse provides opportunities to earn. The platform is more than a virtual crypto library. It provides some ways to get profit. Socializing. There is also an amazing opportunity to socialize with other users through the games on the platform. What are the disadvantages of Bloktopia? It is very early to talk about the drawbacks of the project since it is still under development. So far, the only thing that is recognized as a disadvantage is the fact that it is still under development. To sum up, Bloktopia is one of the biggest metaverse projects that come with an unprecedented VR experience for the crypto community. We'll definitely keep an eye on this exciting project in the future. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the Bloktopia project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.